Look at this.
Doing his thing but still playing catch up with Alkaline and Cartel. You accept that Alkaline is ahead right
no,
now?
you have to accept that. You have to know, so right now, we talk facts. You understand? Nobody else not really did it. We not see nobody else. Me I tell you.
Mad thing.
May I represent for one Media Fox?
Media Fox. How the latest news them lock. Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox. How the latest report them.
Don't know Media Fox, you know. So people, I see that brother you found out. You see, how them review him thing. Cause I will export a lot of things in that video. Cause I don't want the people them see all them things and believe and then go end up in a dead end. You understand? But people, this is what the brother you say.
Remember that's a chat. So me I look on YouTube, me I looking at the space of dancehall. Me I see some people on TikTok have group chat about the artists them. See? Them a talk about them favorite, them Alkaline and Beer thing. See? And them a run the comparison, you know, with the Alkaline and the Vibes Cartel and, you know. But you know what funny? You see right now in a 2025, right now, today date, 2025, today what, the 24th? Me can tell you this right now in a 2025, Masicka, bigger than Alkaline. Yeah man, right now, me can tell you in a 2025, say Masicka, Surpass Alkaline. Yeah man, the man Surpass Alkaline, yeah.
People, I go pause it right there, so. Cause some of the time, them people ever found out. Yeah man, them have a mental issue. Yeah man, mental issue them have man. But people, before I play that video, Zane, I show you something. You see that show ya? That show ya keep about last year. Zane 2024. Masicka book for the show. Ima headline it. Zane? Look at you know. It's a weekend thing, you know. After dark. I go play the video and make you see what I go on. Remember my headline, I know. Them they make up one bag of excuse about, yo, this is show never promote, way. Right now, if Alkaline go up on a flyer and headline a show, me not talk about overseas, we are talking about dancehall core place, Jamaica. Right now, if Alkaline put on a flyer, say I pull up this so. Seeing? Look at now people. I go play a video and make you see what I go on. Seeing?
Remember that's
I make you see what I go on people, cause they might take that thing if you a joke thing right now, you know, cause them don't know what they matter about, you know. Seeing? So people, the flyer we just show now a while ago, seeing? This are the show down at Mobile, cause this is the thing, you know, people. Them not highlight these things that Masicka do. Them only highlight the show them when them get booked for. Zine, remember you know, Surpass, Alkaline, Ray, this, that. Look here now. Pre that show you know people. I want to know look. Not front of the stage, you know. Look. Right like after you say the general era. Place empty. So yeah, tell me say Masicka bigger than Alkaline. And you feel like say this a crowd that can forward out to come see Alkaline? Pre people. People, if you look out there, son, just look out there, son. Place Kianki. You see the next fence, which is the third area. You jump over the first fence, then you jump over the other one. The wall are over there, so empty. Masicka headline the show. Nobody no father the show. You understand? The people them stand up right there, so nothing. And these are the artists them say bigger than Alkaline. On a sick in on the head, dog. It's like on a nasty reality. You understand? But pre-video people.
just
People, when you just see video a while ago, you think say Alkaline never get them crowd reaction yet? Or that more I know. Alkaline never get this a crowd reaction yet? Bro, you know see they look like Masicka just bust. This is last year, July, brother. That video you alone show me say Masicka thing no depend no levels, bro. Look, Pete, no, you tell me say, bro, that look like about 200 people followed out to come see the man. And you talk about bigger than Alkaline, bro. When Arena talk I make right now, Masicka not solely no shows. Him not solo no shows. The show them where I go on is annual shows. Where I don't have them fans already. Him not pull no crowd. See crowd the way I pull 200 to maybe 300 people. You understand? The man wanna say, yo, run the place, this, that. Bro, we don't realize what I'm going on. But listen what that brother you say.
Like how me can tell you say Masicka, me did tell you no a long time say yo, this is no this to Idonia. But Masicka, we all know already know say Masicka surpass Idonia. But I always hear people say yo, Alkaline bigger than Masicka. See?
Brother, it's evident in everybody's eyes, bro. Who you see? The people them I talk about when him step on the stage, them. You understand? We show Masicka do. We're impactful where people talk about it. The last show the man do, I must say Sunfest. And show them I say yo with the cartel thing. That's all, bro. You understand? Masicka na headline no show where people say yo, I him a pull them a crowd, brother. Him not have a show for himself. If any of the Gaza fans them right now Gaza fans them cut left him. You understand? When I look on some little hot song and when him go foreign, the people them stand up like some tree in some forest. You understand? And you are gonna say, I don't ya, bro. Bro, I don't ya. I pull him crowd them. You understand? Pull him every little thing. Masicka can't size up to I don't ya thing, bro. Una use some little hot song for some man surpass. Me don't know what I mean by surpass. You know? It's like una talk and not understand where I go on, bro. Stop make the media fool on a dog. You understand? Stop make people fool, you know. Cause when you're going on the street and reality or go overseas a different thing.
But me can tell you right now, Masicka bigger than Alkaline. Yeah man. Masicka bigger than Alkaline right now in a 2025. Yeah, Masicka the bigger artist right now.
Bro, I know so you do it. Brother, you can't say Masicka the bigger artist. It's like, yo, them Gaza people, yo, them done in, yo. I tell you, them head tough, you know. Brother, you can't say Masicka bigger artist, bro. If you want to give Masicka the credit, better say, yo, he might drop the hot song them now. But when you go say bigger, bro, there's no evidence of that, of Masicka. The song them alone, brother. Masicka don't even have a good catalog for match up to Alkaline catalog, bro. You understand? It's like you forgot, like you're sick in your head. You understand? And that with Uno, bro. Uno just forward on the media and chat someone bag of nonsense and then the vlogger them a run with it and expose you, know, brother. You understand? But listen what I say, people.
And don't go tell me say Masicka not do what Alkaline do. What Alkaline do? What I gonna tell me say Alkaline run the place in a 2016? That's all them have to say. But Alkaline name, you know. Say him run the place in a 2016. Him get a run. Every time.
Brother, una talk about 2016, you know. 2016 gone a long time on the stock at 2016, brother. You know see right now, when Alkaline drop him song them, whatever him do, are the most talk about artists, brother. Whether when Alkaline do show in a Barclays, mash up the place, people them say, oh, Alkaline, people them walk out pan bounty. It's like, bro, we don't realize what I go on. Arena, all of them something here. Bro, let me tell you this, brother. We don't get to know vision straight. Because it come like say, we don't have no brain. Somehow, you know, we don't really have no brain, you know. You understand? Because you don't have no proof. First of all, brother, Alkaline have bigger song than Masicka, brother. You understand? Bigger song than Masicka. Right now. Better catalog, more greater catalog, bro. Alkaline have him own a show and news where I keep all over the world. Are sold out. I pull him crowd. Seeing? We show Masicka have? Where him show they? If Cartel no call him on stage and Bounty and all of these people, him not nothing for himself, brother. Sansa book him. Him both Sans. Yeah, I think Sans book him. Sans and all of these people are book him. Seeing? We don't have them crowd already. You see what I try to say? So, him not have no team, him not have nothing, brother. Look on the show, keep him mobile. You know, see that little amount of people who fall to come see the man who wanna say Surpass Alkaline. Wanna sick in on the head, bro. You understand?
And you would hear people say, what about the 2016 Alkaline? Other year they alone them can remember about the Alkaline. Masicka bigger than Alkaline right now. No joke. Masicka is bigger than Alkaline right now.
Yo, people, you know, if I'm really be a mental illness thing I go on the media. Yeah, man, I feel like that, brother, yeah. You see when him talk, something wrong with him, you know. I feel like something wrong with him. And it's like maybe him need the attention there on the social media. Yeah, man. Him something wrong with him. Because if you realize when him talk, him laugh, then him say, yeah, man. Then him look straight. Like him, you know, him, I don't know, something psycho thing I go on.
You know, hear me tell you, say, Masicka, I find the hits them. From 2017, me telling you, say, Masicka no miss. Yeah. Me did do a video long time and telling you, say, from 2017, Masicka no miss. Yeah.
So how now say Masicka have all of these hit songs, but him can't headline an arena all now? Eh? Him can't headline an arena. Oh, we not hear him pull no crowd. What happened? You understand? What the problem? We not hear nothing. Him not arena thing I talk about. Him not pull. Him are the bigger artist, you know. But where my headline the arena show them? Where my headline? You understand? Where my do? What kind of impact him a set? Nothing no there, bro. We don't keep on a talk about song. Them they hot song, brother. Cause when the man go foreign go perform, the crowd them stand up on him. So, brother, hit song and a hit song that hit song. And when you go yard and you sing and the crowd are real. You understand? Uno, make him have a downfall right now, no? You understand? But listen what I say, people.
When him get that infrared there, find one video where you see fall off after that. Not one. No? Not one. Everything go over 1 million. We just try to show you. Everything after that go over 1 million.
People, may I show you how him dumb now, you know. Look how him gonna contradict himself. Him just say, after infrared, when Masicka and Vice Cartel sing, after that video there, I be 1 million the video go. Zine, you know, everything go over 1 million. Remember in our numbers, him a talk about now, you know. Alright, listen now when him a go say down. May I show you say a mental illness thing a go on right here, so. Yeah, man. Una go see it. Here, yeah.
Yeah. The artists them love watch 1 million, you know. So me a give a market. Everything after that go right over 1 million. And them panic. Yeah. Yeah, man.
You see it? Mental illness. Him no know what him a say. Him just a say, yeah man, yeah man. Yeah man, come if expose the mental ill people, let me know. When them fall out on the media and them attack, you see sometimes some of them need attention. You understand? I mean not talk about the real mental illness where, you understand? Me I talk about the when it comes to knowledge, yeah man, like they don't know what them a say. Them have to think before them say it. You understand? Yeah, be a crap. You see it. But listen what I go on.
Them panic. People are feeling. You see what I say? Yeah. Masicka bigger than Alkaline. You see Alkaline can't find a hit song. No sir. Alkaline can't find a hit song. You know see Alkaline walk out of the dead when Vice Cartel walk out of prison. Yeah. Eh?
People, you see it? See what me I tell you, say something wrong with him? You say him just laugh and then go back to, yeah man, something really wrong with him, man. Cause go back to the where when bro from Cartel come out of Alkaline and been calling. Alkaline job key man, Alkaline been dropping song and people them talk about it. So I don't know what you try to say. You understand?
Alkaline walk out from the dead when Vice Cartel walk out of prison. And that still not help him. You know see that? That still not help him at all.
But Cartel from prison not help him either. From Cartel forward out, how much song when him release a hit song? He not do nothing for Cartel right now. Bro, right now Cartel depend TikTok and meme out himself right now, bro. Una talk about Alkaline and this and hit song and whatsoever. Where the rest of the artists them are doing a dance hall. Eh? Masicka drop some hot song. How long them song you play for? You understand? Is them song impactful? Or that more I know. Can I drop a one bag of song, but what the song them really do? The song them not do no major numbers, not depend on some big platform. From the year start, every song we drop, Remember, you know, bro, Masicka signed to a label and I forgot, you know. And him still not doing nothing. Because right now, in this area, Alkaline been dropping song and the majority of them are got number 1 on the iTunes US chart. Me nah see Masicka song them, brother. The song that we are releasing, me not see them. You understand? So, me don't know what you try to talk about.
Him sing a song and a throw shades and that still not help him. You know see that? Eh? But this is not about that. This is about the fact that right now in a 2025, me don't want nobody tell me say Alkaline are the bigger artist over Masicka. That's a big lie.
Brother, you're sick in your head, dog. I tell you, you're sick in your head, brother. Because nobody never tell you that. It's the fact. You understand? There's a lot of evidence there. It's like when you get tricked. Bro, Masicka can't even survive without the Gaza thing, brother. You're sick in your head, bro. When you forward on the media and talk these things, bro, just forward out and talk something with sense, dog. You understand? Talk something with sense, brother. You see it?
Nobody can tell me that right now in today's world. No? Masicka bigger than Alkaline. Yeah? Right now, Masicka are way bigger artist than Alkaline.
People, you know why I review that video? I tell you why I review it. You know, so I watch a youth of a wedding and I realize I sick him sick, you know. Yeah, man. I sick him sick. If you realize him repeat the word, him repeat the same thing, something really wrong with him, you understand? Yeah, him just, it's like, the way something wrong with him is like him just love the attention, you see it? But we have to review and show you, say, yo, Jano, I one of them things, you see me? Yeah, where the brain now function right, you see it?
One of you tell me about him one little album we do good. With numbers, and that's the thing, you know, when you watch numbers too much. When you watch numbers too much, pure numbers. You know, see Nicki Minaj herself.
People, so me tell you, contradict himself. It's when you see him do a little smirk laugh and go back, it show you the sign of the brain. So you hear him say a while ago, I talk about numbers, but him did that brag with Masicka from 2017, 1 million. Every time Masicka song go past 1 million a year and bring it up earlier, I say, yo, all of them pass 1 million, but now he must say, I'll not talk about numbers. I tell you, dog, I tell you, brother, mental. Jano, but listen what I must say, people, because I don't have to hear these things, you know. I know the people them not really like hear certain, you see me, nonsense, but you don't have to just go and watch and just listen. You see me? So when them drop next video, you know say, alright, them people have something wrong with them, you understand?
I sell beer numbers on our album them and can't win a Grammy. We're going to say, and Cardi B get Grammy. Then what you know what I say? Eh? And who are the better lyricists? And who is the better lyricist? Nicki Minaj, right? Okay, we can agree to that. So Nicki Minaj is the better lyricist than any one of these female artists. But did she win a Grammy? No. So don't come tell me say, Alkaline album, do better than every album. Man, fuck off with Alkaline album, Bridget. Eh?
Brother, I don't know Alkaline the end dog. I wonder if Alkaline take a girl, bro. Cause I don't know, bro. It's like your pressure run up, dog. Your pressure run up. Look like people might tell you about too much Alkaline, brother. Why you going so? What going? What Alkaline there, dog? Man, take away your girl. John, know you could have just say it, you know.
Me talk about right now. And about numbers. Me talk about right now. Right now in a 2025. Masicka Surpass Alkaline career.
Mush.
People, why may I tell you? That's one of them things there, you know, when people are crash out, you know. Yeah, man, I crash out, man. Amount about 50 times, man, say, yo, Alkaline Masicka Surpass. 50 times. And tell me why. You know what the problem, people? You see when they make them statement, yeah? Them can't give the reason why. And now, him not give a good reason why Masicka bigger than Alkaline. This is when the mental gymnastic in the brain is crashing. You understand? But listen what I say.
Better to say it. Yeah, man. Right now, Alkaline have to play catch-up. No joke. Right now, Alkaline have to play catch-up on Masicka. Yeah, man. I'm not joking.
Brother, why for that, brother? What do you mean by man I play catch-up on a man? Brother, come down now, brother, man. Come down now, brother. You did there talk till you chat nonsense. Man, I play catch up. Brother, go sit down, man.
I don't know joke thing. I don't know joke thing right now, dog. Yeah, man. I look on the TV and I see some bunch of youth in some group on TikTok. I say name TikTok. This one, yeah, TikTok. And them I talk about Alkaline. And I say, yo, how are them umbrella?
Yo, people, me tell you, that's something that when you hear brother them are talking, like, grieve him, Him have to come talk about it. But when you grieve him have to keep on and repeat. Yo, Masicka bigger than Alkaline, Masicka bigger than Alkaline. But him not realize, brother, you just a ricochet yourself. Because everybody, it's right in everybody's face, bro. Where you chat a nonsense, dog. You see me?
How are them umbrella talk about Alkaline, Bridget? Eh? After Alkaline, bigger than Masicka right now. You see me? I say you want to hear the man them praise Alkaline. I say, yo, Jano. Like, seriously? Like.
But you praise Masicka right now. That you do, but you praise him for nonsense. You understand? Yeah, you're not praise for the right reason, bro. Yeah, you just a chat a one bag of nonsense, bro. That's the problem.
Seriously? Yeah, man. Me just feel say Masicka.
Yo, him and them confused in a dog. These, yo, me don't know these Gaza, some of these Gaza people, them, something wrong with them, Them man just, them don't know why them attack, them just confused.
Oh, me take it. Oh, what angle now? Me just feel say Masicka for more attend to him fans, you know?
People, look what go on, all the beating with Alkaline, Look where him go ricochet himself and end up at this back Masicka. May I tell you, pre-wagwan people.
Yeah. Me just feel that Masicka be more attentive to him fans them. You know? Even though me don't say him take piece of Alkaline style where this antisocial thing. Yeah. Me don't know how Masicka come up with that. Why him follow Alkaline with that style. I just
people, you see so many times, yo, we have a review them people that can look at. Yo, we just love see when them does end up in at the brick wall, Like, we love when everything does ricochet back what them, You man just say, well, you man say, yo, Masicka for the Alkaline style. That means, bro, it evidence say Alkaline are the bigger artist youth. You understand? Masicka look up to Alkaline, dog. It's like when you realize what going on. The man look up to Alkaline, brother. Masicka was not that man with antisocial. The man wake up in the morning, yo, chat one bag of thing on Instagram live. I post one bag of video. That change now. You understand? Cause I try learn the formula from Alkaline, you see me? But you just not go work for him cause him go on the wrong side, you see me? Yeah man, that is it.
I just that me never like, I say, yo, why would a man follow that man this style, like, look antisocial, Me just feel saying him to come out more and talk to him fans then. You know what I mean? Relate to your fans then. Yeah man, go up on live and make two girls talk to you up on live and, build a union there with your fans,
But first of all, Alkaline really go up on social media and them thing there and interact with him fans. But what? The man still a sold out him event them him fans them still are there. You understand? Masicka usually do that, but it still not do nothing for him, brother. So you a tell Masicka, say yo go do that. And when him did that do it, nobody never did that. PM no mind, nobody him still never get the impact from that. You understand? Right now you tell man for go end up like cartel thing. Go TikTok and meme and all of them. So that you try to tell the man for go do, brother.
But Masicka surpass Alkaline. Masicka the bigger artist over Alkaline. Yep. No joke. No joke. Right now, we can say Alkaline career dead. Yeah, man.
But if Alkaline career dead, you hear some man pan TikTok attack and it hurt your feelings so much. You forward out and you say Alkaline career dead. But you there talk about him. Look how much artists in a dancer career dead and not talk. But you still talk about Alkaline and him career dead. That now make no sense.
I know we can say Alkaline career dead. Just like a Intense. Intense career dead, Dead. Dead as dog. No, yo.
Bro, you're madness. You know no sense. Because look now, you could have called any other artist in a dancehall and say them career dead. But you know why you pick Intense? Because me know you hear the song with Intense and Alkaline and your friend them tell you. You understand? But true, you know say Intense and Alkaline link and that's why you say Intense career dead too. But Go on.
Yo, my brethren say, yo, Prince, I'm not hearing nothing from Intense. Say, you know, someone said to him, say, you know, sister, the man just drop a song with Alkaline named Millions. And the man said, oh, I am that? I said, yo, a fool, you take the man finer. I mean, if I am that, of course. Man said, dog, you know, me never take notice, me does hear it. No one know I am that. Then no fucker that, Prince. I'm saying, yo, man, I know say a fucker song, man.
That same song where you say a fuckery song, that song they go up on the #1 chart. You understand? iTunes at #1. Me no see none of Masicka song them a go up the way him drop. You understand? So me no know what really I talk about, you know. You see, me no know which world you know there. You understand? But you have people out there that listen to the song. And you stay the song, I play on a party. So you might feel like say a joke thing. Yeah, you're Gaza man. You see me, so me understand. And your friend them maybe Gaza too. So we're not gonna say a one bag of thing, but we can't hide the fact.
You know, I have to tell you, say a fucker song. I know say a fucker song. You know? yo, Intense career all dead, yo.
People don't realize when the man laugh, there's something wrong with him, you know. Yeah, man, something wrong with him, man. Something wrong with that brother, yeah. I tell you.
I tell you, you know. You go against. Me not boy that you want to say, yo. But anyways, Masicka.
You know him did I say a while ago? Say you go against the goalie. I must move over them attack, you know. You go against he must say you go against the goalie, so maybe that's why you sang them not really rare. But bro, stop your night, brother. You're sick in your head. You see me?
You might do it, boy, man. You might do it, boy. Yeah, man. And me just have to come out and tell Una Alkaline fans right now, say. And me not tell a lie. I because know me not tell a lie. Masicka surpass Alkaline career with ease. Him go around him 360. Yeah, man.
Yo, somebody go get that brother here, right there. Somebody go get him dog and carry him down a Bellevue there, cause he need treatment. He need treatment, man.
Yeah, man. 360. Him go around him. Yeah, man. Masicka a bigger artist for Alkaline right now in a 2025 2-day start in a 2-day date. You know, not starting now, but in a 2025 right now. Masicka bigger than Alkaline. Yeah, man. Cause all of them are gonna say, you bought the one album. Man, fuck off with the album there. Yeah, me just go.
Yo. Hey man, they mash up a man brain. You them on TikTok, mash up a man brain, dog. General, dog. Yo. I tell the people, but yo, people. I tell you, girl, listen to that brother. Yo, but that's what I laugh. I tell you that. Yo. I tell you, brother, them man, yo, there's something wrong with them, brother. But people don't know how to look at entertainment. You see it? Yeah, man, you know it. Things that I want media facts, man. You see it? That is it.